Okay, here's a video on how to make the burgers. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open up our beautiful salmon, like so. But what we're gonna do is we're going to pull out our things like this, the pin bones. Pretty easy to take out. You can see that there. And what you want to do is you want to skin the fish, and you just run the knife like that, taking the skin off. That is pretty good, like so. Get the belly out like that. That's pretty much all the meat gone. You want to really do it, you can run the knife over it again. If you find another pin bone, you can take that out. Then all you're going to do is you're just going to chop it up. Put that in there. Now what we'll do is we're going to start adding some other ingredients. What we're going to do is just add some salt, some pepper to season it, a dollop of mayo, some cilantro. Obviously you can do this on a board. I'm just being lazy. That much. Thai paste, we're going to add that for some herbs and spices. I normally add just lemongrass, but I think that this has a little bit of lemongrass in there, so get a little Asian flavor in that. Give it a good stir, and you can start seeing that coming together. I'm going to add, normally I don't even measure this. Leave that out to the side. I don't know, I would say about that much. What's that? That's about 4 ounces. Or half a cup of panko in there. Gives that a good stir. Kind of acts like a binding agent. Brings it together, but it does dry it out a little bit. So the trick is going to be adding an egg in there. Add the egg in. That will act like a binding agent as well. Give it a bit of a stir. If you keep on stirring, what happens is the protein strands start emulsifying, I think, and it turns into a kind of paste. So what I did was I just added in some more salmon that I had because I want to make lunch for tomorrow at the moment. And then I'm going to do it very roughly. These are rustic patties. Put it together like so. It smells really good. Add some avocado oil. Oops, there's my avocado oil. Add it in there. Generous amount. Swirl it around to make sure it coats everything. Then I get my, should be enough for 4. Should be enough room for 4. Is there enough room for 4? Yeah. I don't really want them touching because they steam. Okay, beautiful. I don't know if you can see it, but when that white liquid starts coming out of the patty, you know it's done. Like that. There you go. I don't know if you can see it. That indicates that the salmon's cooked, and we're good to go. Okay, assembling our burgers. Really easy. We get the mayonnaise. Smear of mayonnaise on each one. Put these to the side, like so. While we're at it, we'll cut our tomato. Cut it as thin or as thick as you like so. And then a little bed of lettuce on each one. My tomato, chunky tomato. That. I'm gonna add my second little piece of tomato because I like tomatoes. We add our salmon burger, and then the secret is going to be that you've got to add that onto the top. The sweet chili sauce is very, very important. Like so. Do that, do that, and that is your burger right there.